We have just flying. It's not good for now. We have a swimming pool. I'm excited. Oh, this is the view here, guys. This is the second floor. Here, I show you the guys the view, garden view. Yeah. See the Lolo. Beautiful garden. And then we waiting the waters come full, a little full. And this is the view here, guys. So today I'm washing the clothes when we need to eat here. This is the view, guys. And this down. Too much hot summer, and this is my garden. So anyway, we're back here again. We have other side. Okay, we come back again to my swimming pool. So we just ready to swim. Just sun. Kitchen.